Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. So in this guide video, I will be showing you how to copy and share TikTok profile link. Now before we begin, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version. Now let us get started. Now in order to copy and share TikTok profile link, you have to open your TikTok application. So once you open your TikTok application, the interface kind of look like this. Now on this following page, simply tap on the profile icon, which is right at the bottom in the right hand side corner. So on the other page, you will land inside the profile page. Now on this certain page, tap on the try bar icon or the 3 dash icon, which is right on top. Now as soon as you tap on it, down there you can see two different options. Now from here you have to tap on settings and privacy. So next on the other page, you will land inside the detail about settings and privacy. Now under settings you can see account, and under account you can see a list of different options. On the sixth step you can see share profile. Just simply tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on share profile, down there you can see a pop-up window, and right at the bottom there you can see different application. Now from here you can either tap on any one of these following application. Now in order to copy the link, all you have to do is swipe towards your right hand side, and right in between you'll find copy link option. Just simply tap on it. Now here the link has been copied. Now in order to share the link, all you have to do is just go back to your home screen. Now for example, I'll share the link on my WhatsApp application. Now in case if you want to share the link on any other application other than WhatsApp, the process is same. All you have to do is just open the application, and next what you have to do is you have to select the person to whom you want to share this link. Now open the chat page of that certain person. So next what you have to do is you simply have to paste the link on the message bar. Now once you're done pasting the link, all you have to do is simply tap on the arrow icon, which is right at the corner, and here you can see that the link has been copied and at the same time the link has been shared. Now this is how you can copy and share TikTok profile link. Now that is all for this video. Now in case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.